Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's Cook with Ada here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the honey chicken wings. You can make yours spicy if you want to. It's your food, so do whatever you like with it. Okay, so here I have my chicken wings already washed, cleaned properly, and ready to be, you know, ready to be cooked. Don't mind me. So yeah, of course I used my instant pot air fryer lid, so I put a little bit of salt in there. So I'll be putting some curry powder, I have my cayenne pepper just to make it spicy. It just depends on what you like. You mustn't use the cayenne pepper. It just depends. If you don't like spicy food, then that's fine. It's going to taste great anyways you do it, so that's fine. I have my garlic, and I have my paprika. And I'm going to be squeezing in some of this lemon juice in there. And then I'm going to be turning everything and let it marinate for a while. Just depends on you. You can leave it to marinate as long as you want to, but I usually just don't leave it to marinate that long, especially if I don't have the time. Look at how that it looks so good. Like, look at how that looks. So good, you guys, so good. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, click on that notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. If you're new on here and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So I have it out now. I put it in the air fryer and it's ready out for the first batch. So I'm going to go ahead right now and mix my honey and my ketchup mixture in there for the chicken. So now I'm mixing my honey and my ketchup in here. This tastes so good, you guys. You need to try this out. It tastes so good. It was just so good. That's all I can say. And then after that, I'm going to mix that, with the my already air fried chicken, and I'll put it back in the air fryer for like the next 10 minutes and then bring it out. This is what it looks like after mixing it, and I'll put that in for another 10 minutes, just not so long, and this is what it's looking like. Delicious. Thank you guys for watching. Do go ahead and check out my other videos, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like this video, share this video with your friends and family, leave a comment down below, and yeah, I'll definitely see you guys in my next video, and leave your recipe ideas in the comment section. Thank you.